You're watching Roam Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. In this comprehensive 3-step credit repair review, I'll share my personal experience using this service. For your convenience, you'll find a link to the product in the description below. 3-step credit repair is a perfect solution for individuals seeking a simple and efficient way to manage their credit repair journey. This service provides a clear, streamlined process, broken down into 3 manageable steps, making credit repair accessible to everyone, regardless of their prior experience with credit-related challenges. Not only is the process user-friendly, but it's also highly effective in addressing common credit score problems. The initial step involves a thorough credit report analysis. 3-step credit repair obtains your credit report and meticulously examines it to pinpoint any negative entries, such as late payments, collections, or inaccuracies. This is a vital step because many individuals are unaware that incorrect or obsolete information can negatively impact their credit score. Step 2 concentrates on disputing those negative items. The platform efficiently generates dispute letters addressing the issues identified in your credit report and submits them directly to the credit bureaus. This automated feature eliminates the complexities of the dispute process, allowing you to concentrate on other aspects of credit improvement. The final step incorporates a crucial credit score monitoring feature. 3-step credit repair consistently monitors your credit and delivers regular updates on your progress. This enables you to observe the direct impact of your actions on your credit score, helping you stay focused on achieving your financial objectives. The remarkable simplicity of this service is its key differentiator. It's an ideal choice for those seeking an easy-to-follow, step-by-step system without feeling overwhelmed by the process. Whether your goal is to improve your credit score for a loan, a mortgage, or simply to gain control of your financial well-being, 3-step credit repair is a valuable option worth exploring. If you're intrigued, click the link in the description to learn more and take the first step towards a healthier credit score today.